welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new around here. I tried to put up like a little thing here to make it seem more like Valentine's Day, but I don't have a ton of Valentine's Day decorations, so I just put a pink blanket and a pink pillow on top of this chair. We are going to be doing Valentine's Day outfits. Now, this girl is single, but that never stops me from dressing up for Valentine's Day. And I do usually celebrate like with my family. My mom has this tradition of getting all of us kids boxes of chocolates. Like, I'll give my friends gifts, and once in a while hold maybe a Galentine's Day. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Geek. Let's get straight into the outfits. So for the first outfit, I went ahead and put on a neutral colored sweater with this really bright pink skirt that I had. Then I went ahead and put my really nice white cropped sweater over that. Then I paired it with this cute heart ring and these cute pink earrings that my sister made for me. And last but not least, I put on these high-heeled boots with it. For my next outfit, I went ahead and put on a pink sports bra, and over that I put a pink hoodie and paired it with some white pants. As for accessories, I paired it with these cute pink bracelets and this really nice silver belt that I had. The last thing that I put on was these cute, colorful pair of sneakers that I had that were like purple and pink, had some yellow on them as well. I feel like this is such a casual look, something that I can wear out just kind of like during the day on Valentine's Day. For this next outfit, I had this really cute pink pair of cow print pants, and I paired it with a lace bralette and a more fringed frayed sweater. Then for the accessories, I paired it with this gold locket, these blue heart earrings, and some gold rings. I also paired it with this white pair of sneakers. Alright, for this next outfit, I started out with a base of just black pants and this white turtleneck sweater. Then I had this really cute purplish poncho that I put on top of that. Then I paired it with a fluffy pair of boots that I had and a cute layered necklace and some rings. Those were all of the outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that self-love is half learned and half earned, so make sure you learn to love yourself from the tip of your nose to the tip of your toes. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!